Good morning, everybody. Today is July the 16th, and interesting morning for the markets. They have done absolutely nothing. Let me open up ES really quick. Okay, if you look down here, this is expected volume. Where the yellow line is where volume typically trades at this particular time on this particular day. And as you can see, during market open, it has never breached that yellow line, which pretty much means it is just low volume. It's just a low volume day. And looking at the size of the candles up here, you can actually see that it's a low day. The candles are really small as compared to, let me see if I can scroll back and show you. Like when we're breaking outside of the yellow line on the above side, the candles are a lot bigger in length, which means it's a lot more orders coming in. Anyway, there's not much of anything going on today, so there was no market profile trades for me today. I looked through a bunch of different markets, looked through the big four, YMTF, ES, and NQ, looked through gold, and looked through oil. Now, I did do a couple trades today. As a trader, I always stress that whatever you learn it really, really good before you move on to something else. So I've been trading market profile for about 6 years or so. But I also have some other strategies in my playbook. So I have 4 total. And when there's nothing that I can do with the profile, which is my preferred trading strategy during the New York Open, when US opens at 9:30, I'll go on to something else. I'm just looking at the particular volume today, and the time right now is 12:46 Eastern Standard Time. I want to show you the trade that I'm in. I'm actually in what's called a butterfly. Butterflies work really great when the market is doing absolutely nothing. What you're doing is buying 2 in the money contracts, excuse me, and you're just having an expectation of the market just staying in between them, and that way you'll collect premium from those markets there. So here on ES, I am in a butterfly till expiration, with marked by these orange lines, this one here and this one here. And this first butterfly triggered at let me see where we at. It triggered at 11 o'clock. I have a lot of windows open. Computer's running a little slow today. So it triggered right here. I am in the 2111 binary contract for $74. And up here, this one is the 2120 contract. Come on. I had to do a reset. Yeah, I got oh gee, I got about 8 windows open right now, along with Ninja Trader, which is a memory hog. Anyway, 2120. This one triggered at 12:30, so not too long ago, and I am in this one at $18.50. So if they both expire in the money or in between these 2 orange lines, that will be a total profit of, let me see here, That'll be a total profit of $44.50. Now, with risk management with butterflies, because they're in the money, I always set stops. So if one of these stops get triggered, it'll get triggered at the money. So I'll be out. I'll be stopped out of that trade at $50. And on this top line, that will be a loss of $31.50. And at this bottom one, it would be a loss of $26. So with risk management, if one gets stopped out and the other one stays in the money, it'll be a loss of about anywhere from $10. Be a loss of $10 up here, and it'll be a loss of what is that? 26 and 18, about $8 down there. So, which is perfect for my risk management. And again, if they both stay in the middle, it'll be $44 profit, not including fees. So I'm not really expecting volume to pick back up. This is lunchtime in New York now, and volume, lunchtime, historically, volume starts to decrease. It picks back up about 2. And I know with Yellen speaking today, and I just don't see much action going on with this. So hopefully this butterfly work out here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a video on the end of it. I probably won't have it recording still, but I'll do an update just via with the messages that I put into it. So that is that trade there. And another trade that I did on the futures market was this here. Okay. Now I have some new indicators on here. This is a test that I'm actually doing, so I'm not going to get into these just yet. These new lines, this pink line, this red one. I'll talk about that stuff at a later date. But this was a a scalp trade that I did on CL on oil, and I was watching the oversold area right here with lack of volume, and then a push back up. So I waited till this bar closed right here, and then I bought a futures contract at 51.50, and I set a stop at 51.40. 51.40. Set a stop just right there, just below settlement, and I set a take profit at 51.65, just one tick below this value area low area, these pink dotted lines. And if you notice in my previous videos, I rarely set it right there on the line, just because I like to give myself just a little bit of room just in case it is heading there, but it doesn't quite get there. And this particular trade was spot on. Why I do that? Because this trade took profit right at 51.65. If I had it set at 51.66, it wouldn't have made it up there. It would have bounced down and would have got stopped out. So this is my futures trade here. Entered in at 51.50 and took profit here at 51.65. Oil moves at $10 a tick, so that was 15 ticks on that one there. So that was just that quick trade there. I used some fib lines just to kind of see where turnaround is located at, and good old 38.2% is that one, is 61.8%. Those are two key levels when it comes to fib trading. But I'm not a Fibonacci trader. I will use the indicator to kind of gauge where things are that make sense to me. So let me remove that there. So those are the trades today. Yeah, every market, including the currencies. Let me see if I can open this. Euro. Yeah, see, we're not even breaking volume. Small bars. It did a nice little push up there at market open. But I wasn't watching currencies at this particular time. Yeah, I really like to focus on the S&P 500, gold, and oil. And then I've been looking at the other ones for confluence with ES. So that is today's trades. I will let the butterfly go ahead and do what it does. What I probably will do is set a take profit order on my butterflies at the bottom end. On the sell at $18.50, I'll set a take profit of $5, and then at the buy-in, I bought it at $74. I'll set a take profit of $95, and then I'll just leave my stops in a play. If they get up to the orange line on either side of it, get stopped out at 50. But I'm not going to watch that trade anymore. It's already set. My risk management is put into place, and that's pretty much it. I'm done trading for the day, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, see ya.